Hello everyone. If you are currently seeing this video today, you are actually early in this project. This is Tokenbox and it's currently building a first world shared blockchain, and the project has been on for some weeks now. All right, and I joined this project just a week ago, and so far I've been able to partake in their this monthly limited time giveaway event, and I'll be able to withdraw some USDT all for free right here in this project. So this event started just on the 13th of this month, and today is on the 17th of this month. And if you are currently seeing this, then you are actually early. What you have to be doing in this event is very, very simple. You have to ensure that you claim daily from this platform. All right, you have to ensure that every 12 hours you come over here and claim, and the more you claim, the more you be given free USDT here in your wallet. All right, there is already an integrated wallet here that you can be seeing your USDTs from. All right, and here I'll be showing you how to claim your USDT right here in this wallet. But I want you to know that what is actually on right here is that you can claim your free USDT from this giveaway, and the minimum you can actually withdraw from this giveaway is 10 USDT. So let's say you've claimed up to some days, you can easily withdraw your USDT, because I have been able to withdraw my USDT. I've tested it and I've been able to withdraw my USDT on the Solana blockchain in my Trust wallet. That is why I'm making this video for you, because it is what I have done. It is what I have done. All right. So ensure these are just the qualifications. Ensure you do your KYC in the platform. After doing your KYC in the platform, you can now have full access to the giveaway. All right, the giveaway is just very, very simple. You only have to ensure that the KYC is done for you to partake in the USDT giveaway. And currently you can see that the platform has just deposited 1,000 USDT, which is ready at the current moment for withdrawal. So the more you claim, the more you withdraw to your wallet. So let me go over and show you how the claiming works. Like, you click over here, just go back, so here is where you can do your KYC. So, and here is the wallet section here in this app. All right, here you are claiming, in this project you are claiming triple T tokens, and also you are claiming some other tokens, and the tokens will be deposited directly into your digital wallet. So when you click on that digital wallet right here, if you click on that digital wallet and you scroll down a little bit, you can see here that what I'm claiming here is also the triple T, and I'm also claiming other tokens. Currently, what I claim mostly is the USDT right here, which is which they are being deposited into my wallet. And also what I'm also claiming here is Ethereum. All right, this Ethereum, before that, the minimum you can withdraw from this Ethereum is 0.01. So you have to be claiming every 12 hours to ensure you accumulate more of these tokens. Guys, I promise you, this is what is paying. This is paying. All right, some of the airdrops that we did this year haven't paid me compared to what this platform has given me. I've been earning in this platform and withdrawing my USDT. So I want you to test it and see how it works. All right, so ensure you do your KYC right in this app and start your claiming and mining. Okay, so here is the USDT that you're gonna be getting. Whatever USDT you claim right here in this project is gonna be deposited right here. So you head over here and click on it. After claiming up to 10 USDT, you head over there and click on it, and then you click on this withdrawal right here. After clicking on this withdrawal right here, I already made a video guiding you on how to place your withdrawal on Trust Wallet. All right, so head over here and click on your wallet address. The transfer network that it will be sending to Solana, and then you click on the minimum withdrawal, or the amount of withdrawal that you're gonna be sending, and then you click on submit right here, and the tokens will be sent directly into your Trust wallet, where you can go and swap your Solana to any tokens that you want to be sending to. All right, that's how it works. So let me go over and show you how to start your mining. So let's go back. So you want to start your mining right here. Just always ensure that you are right here in this middle section. All right. So you click on it. So after clicking on it right now, you can see that I have claimed for 12 hours. I'm going to wait for after 12 hours to come back here and claim again. All right. It's remaining 1 hour 21 minutes for me to be able to claim. All right. But I want you to know that whenever I want to start claiming this free giveaway, anytime that your hours elapsed, you're going to be seeing some amount of tokens, some tokens flying up right here. All right. But before then, your mystery box is going to be opened. All right. So let's say whenever you want to open your start the mining process, the first thing you have to do is to click on here, and the mystery box is going to be opened. Then after this mystery box opens, you can see there's going to be some tokens that are going to be revolving right here in this section. Here in this here at the top here, you can see other tokens like the Ethereum, the Triple T tokens, and also you can see the USDT tokens. Ensure you click on that USDT tokens, because that is where you'll be clicking on. That is where our giveaway is gonna be accumulating from. Okay, so you click on all the tokens. Ensure you click on all the tokens that you see. So the more you click on all the tokens that you see, every token that you click right here that will appear up here is gonna be accumulating for you right here, and that is where the wallet is. All right, so that is where the wallet is, and your amount, when you click on that, you can see your amount is going to be showing up right here. Okay, and then also when you click on your wallet right here, you can see right in this section too that your money, everything that you claimed right there at that your mining dashboard is going to be reflecting right here in your wallet. Just as I told you, once again, it's going to be reflecting right here in this app in your wallet. Okay, so everything is going to be reflecting right here. All your accumulations is going to be reflecting right here for you to withdraw. So guys, don't forget to ensure that you do your KYC before you can access every feature in this app. Okay, don't forget to ensure you do your KYC. So if you want to do your KYC, you have to just click on here. When you click on there, now you go over and submit your necessary requirements. What is actually mostly needed is your details, your NIN details. If you are using your international passport, you can use it based on your country. Okay, here in Nigeria, I use only my NIN, so I inserted only my BVN, and also I snapped the front and the back camera of the front and the back of my government issued ID card, and then when I sent it, I clicked on continue, and then it's verified. All right, so after they verified my KYC, that I was able to withdraw my $50 US dollar in USDT right here in this app. Okay, so that's how to go about this giveaway process. All right, that's how to go about this giveaway process. This is actually on. This giveaway is actually on. You are early to partake in it. Okay, you are early, very early to partake in it. So kindly ensure you, if you enjoyed this video, you subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the do not forget to hit the notification bar, the bell. All right, so that whenever I drop new videos, you are gonna be updated. And don't forget to join the Telegram and WhatsApp community to stay updated on information regarding this project. All right, thanks for watching.